I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Slack to make.com in under 2 minutes, so let's jump right in. Okay, here we are inside of make.com, and the first thing we want to do is just look up the Slack module. I'm going to go down to show more, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we're going to click watch new events because this will trigger instantly. The next thing we need to do is create a webhook. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. The event type, I'm just going to call the build room, which is the name of my community for anyone interested in AI and automation. I'll leave a link in the description where you can check this out. Next thing we want to do is change the event type to new channel message. What we're going to do here is we're going to add a new connection. So come in here, and I'm just going to name this the same thing, the build room. Great, and I'm just going to go ahead and click save. Now from here, it's going to pop open a window that's going to allow us to make our connection. I'm just going to go ahead and click allow to allow make to talk to Slack. And the last thing we need to do is we just need to select the channel that we actually want the bot to pay attention to. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the channel. From there, I'm just going to go ahead and click save. And I'm going to click save one more time. Now, if I click run once, I can come into Slack and I can just go, hey, what's up? Go ahead and click enter and send this off. And now you can see that we've received the message, hey, what's up? Inside of make.com, and we can do anything we want from here. If you thought this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out this video up here where I show you exactly how you can automate your LinkedIn content using make.com. I'll see you over there.